Hello, welcome back. Let's review 3 vowel sounds and simple suku kata with the n sound. A, E, U, Na, Ni, Nu. Today we are learning a new sound. The sound is B. To make this sound, gently press your lips together. When you release them, the sound should be clear and soft, like the B in the word book in English. So say it with me. B. B. Now let's practice reading some suku kata with the B sound. B, A, Ba, Ba. Here we see Ba, Ju, Baju, Baju. Baju means shirt in Malay. B, E, B, B, Biru, Biru, Biru. It means the color blue. B, U, Boo, Boo, Buku, Buku, Buku. It means book in Malay. Let's practice saying the suku kata. Are you ready? Ba, B, Bu, Ba, Bu, B. How do we write B? Let's write together. We start at the top. Draw a straight line down. Try to make it straight. And then at the midpoint in the middle of the line, add a curve to the right, making it back to the bottom of the line. Okay, let's write one more time. Start at the top. Draw a straight line down, and then at the midpoint in the middle of the line, add a curve to the right, making it back to the bottom of the line. So that's how we write B. Okay, so that's all we have for now. See you again. Bye bye.